Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to turn off reviews on your Facebook business page. This is particularly useful if you want to control what kind of feedback appears publicly on your page or if you're temporarily managing customer feedback through other channels. First, you'll want to navigate to facebook.com in your browser and log in to your Facebook business account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. This is where all your personal content and business pages are accessible. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu to access your business management tools. After clicking on your business page, you'll be directed to your Facebook business management page. This is your central hub for controlling all aspects of your page, from posts to settings. Now locate the settings option on the left navigation menu and click on it. This section houses all the configuration options that allow you to customize how your page operates and what features are visible to your audience. Once you click on Settings, you'll be directed to your Meta Business Settings and Privacy page. This page contains various sections that control different aspects of your business page's functionality and visibility. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the left navigation menu here, as it contains several important categories. Locate the Audience and Visibility section, and within it, find the option labeled Page and Tagging. Click on this option to proceed to the review settings. Now you're in the right place to make the actual change. On the Page and Tagging settings page, look for the option that says Allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. Right next to this option, you'll see a toggle button that controls whether this feature is enabled or disabled. To turn off reviews on your Facebook page, simply click on this toggle button to switch it off. The button should change color or position to indicate that the feature is now disabled. And there you have it, you've successfully turned off reviews on your Facebook business page. Visitors will no longer be able to leave reviews, and existing reviews may be hidden from public view depending on your settings. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.